Which diagram shows the vector addition of a 4.0 Newton force and a 3.0 Newton force? Okay, in this question, we have to figure out which diagram is vectorically correct, which is actually showing the addition of two vectors. Now let's first understand how two vectors are added vectorically. Okay, so the first step is to draw the first vector. Okay, this is our first vector, and now start the second vector from the head of the first vector. So the second vector is this 3.0 Newton, and we are going to start it from the head of the first vector. Okay, this is our second vector. So that's how we add the two vectors. This is called head to tail rule. What it is called? Head to tail rule in vector addition. And now, what is the resultant vector of these two? What is the resultant of when we add these two vectors? The resultant is, to draw the resultant vector, we always start the resultant vector from the tail of the first vector till the head of the second vector. Okay, so this represents our resultant vector. And from the options from A, B, C, and D, the part A is the correct option, in which both the addition is done correctly according to head to tail rule, and the direction of the resultant vector is also shown correctly. So what is the key for identifying the resultant vector? It starts from the tail of the first vector and it goes up till the head of the second vector while we are doing the addition of two vectors vectorically.